Hi.
Jerry.
Ciao Jerry.
So this very short video is just to show you how to make the knot for this plastron.
Yes.
It's quite different, as you can see, from the usual one you already know. So just pick it up this way, just go around my neck, hold this part and pick out this pointed one. So what I have to do is to put this part here inside, and first part is done. So it's something you can actually put this way and have it inside. All right, bring the neck down. So this is actually the first way you can have it. All right, so it becomes a sort of tie, I would say. If not, we also have, so let's finish with the first part.
Aspetta che mi avvicino, ecco che così facciamo vedere.
Voilà.
Questo è il modo più dandy forse di indossarlo, giusto Jerry?
Well, yeah.
Adesso facciamo un secondo video per l'altro modo.
All right, it's me again. Hi. So, and I'll show you another way of putting this plastron. So, the beginning, it's quite similar. It's same. So, go from here, pick out the pointed part, the button, go inside. So, it's actually double, so you can turn it this way or the other way, all right?
Perfect.
So, when this first part is done, I would go pick out this part and go inside, you know, giving it that kind of, I would say, more Ascot way of putting it. So, Stefania, just shift a little bit to your left.
Scusa.
All right, perfect. So
Pensavo
way,
tu
if
non
you
avessi
want,
bisogno dello specchio.
you can also, I mean, go another round again. So from inside again, I prefer it this way. So I think it's almost done. So go inside again.
Metti giù il
Voila.
colletto.
And then when it's all done, you bring it down.
Wow,
Nice part here.
fantastico.
There you go. I can say this is quite good.
C'è anche un terzo modo per poterlo
As well.
indossare?
Well, yeah, sometimes I give it another round again.
Aspetta, facciamo un terzo video. Ciao.
Oh, so
Jerry.
let's go.
No, guardate che
Ciao.
bello che è. Ah!
Let's go with the third part. So, same beginning as usual. Oh no, sorry, this time we go inside.
L'ho confuso.
All right, so same beginning. This way. And it's done. So this time we make it inside and not outside, right? And let's pick out the white side this time. So this way. Go that way. All right, let's go on a one, would say double. And this is the finish. And
Wow.
I would close. I mean, I'll leave just open the first button, right? So, yeah, looks good, huh? Sounds good? And looks
Bellissimo.
good. Bye.
Bye,
Ciao,
ciao.
ciao.